Well, we're passed. We made the police department happy, and it's holding up pretty good. First highway test, pretty happy how it feels. It's actually really light feeling. It is a lot of metal, but it's not that much compared to what this thing's built for. And I think we're gonna paint it this in a couple hours. Do some touch up and paint it, start putting the roof on. There we go. So here we are. The storm's rolling in. It is January 1st, 2017. First day of the year. Yeah, we're not really wrapped up too much. We've got a lot to do. We're gonna put the solar panels on here soon, or at least figure out how they're gonna go on. I ended up taking the front end and cutting it in for a better aerodynamic. Got inspired by actually a tiny house today on the road. So we spent a few hours on that, actually about 5 hours on that. And we're gonna work on the floor. We're gonna put the bathtub in. We're gonna start cutting this out, getting ready for the bathtub. So, here's your bathtub. Ordered this online. The RV bathtub. 40-inch, it's pretty small. Not sure if I'm gonna use it yet, but the idea is gonna go on the floor here as a trap door. So we need to cut this big I-beam here, our C-channel. Figure out where this is gonna go, and then we'll put another C-channel here, and it'll sink down low. And if we don't use this, we're gonna actually build one out of the same material I think the roof is gonna be. It's gonna be a plaster roof, and which you can build showers out of the same stuff, and it's waterproof. So let's do that. We're gonna cut this out, see how it looks. So. Look at that. Okay. Something like that. Oh. Hot tub. Bathtub. Okay. Oh, wait a sec. Sorry. Shoot. Well, might actually need to grind this down a little bit. This is too high. We got 1 inch of flooring. It might work the way it is. But anyway, this is it. Here we are. It's snowing here. We're at 2,300 elevation at the warehouse here, 2.1 warehouse, and this is an exciting time. Having snow, why not? You know, good test. See how this is all gonna look. And we're gonna do some welding today, which will keep us warm. Doing a little grinding and hot flame. And we're gonna get the bathtub a little bit more ready and get ready for the solar panels. We got the Goal Zero panels. Got to figure out where the battery bank's gonna go, and some of our electrical. We got to figure out the electrical. So yeah, that's today's project here in the cold.